brand new Land Cruiser LC300 pickup vehicle for 2025 is what we're looking forward to exploring today. This daring release by Toyota has shaken up the car industry. A stunning new addition to the Land Cruiser series, the LC300 2025 pickup truck was unveiled by the world's largest automaker, Toyota, shocking the industry. This daring maneuver highlights Toyota's commitment to top-notch performance and its mastery of off-road terrains. The business is refocusing its efforts to meet the needs of a younger demographic of adventurers who are pickier about the combination of power and utility in their vehicles. There is a lack of specifics regarding the LC300 pickup right now, but rumors have claimed that the newly revealed LC300 SUV chassis will serve as a major influence. What is known at this time? The LC300 pickup is expected to be engineered to effortlessly tackle any terrain thanks to its adventure-oriented engineering. An improved four-wheel drive system and a body-on-frame chassis are the likely features of the car. An assortment of off-road capabilities such as crawl control and other driving modes are expected to accompany this arrangement. Rumor has it that Toyota is planning to provide a variety of potent engine options, maybe even a hybrid powertrain for individuals who want more efficiency without compromising performance. The LC300 pickup truck's cabin is expected to be roomy and opulent. Featuring state-of-the-art technology and top-tier materials, the interior will exude an air of refined relaxation. Much anticipation surrounds the Land Cruiser's potential redesign, which many see as a return to the vehicle's original intent. There are those who think it will look more like the updated Lexus GX, while others think it will harken back to the original Land Cruiser's boxy, tough style. Many people, especially those who are passionate about trucks and off-roading, are very excited about the Land Cruiser LC300 pickup that was announced. When this vehicle hits the market in 2025, it will likely revolutionize the adventure vehicle industry. Be sure to check back for further updates as Toyota shares more details about this highly anticipated lineup addition. Much obliged for your time. Subscribing, commenting, and sharing are all very appreciated.